Greetings to everyone. This is Aditya Abhishek, located in Chennai, and I am pursuing MBA in Eva Stalin Business School.
Hi, my name is Arni. I was born and brought up in Chennai, and I'm currently pursuing MBA at Eva Stalin Business School.
I want to move my career to next level. That's why I choose MBA.
I choose to pursue MBA to gain the skill that I need for my career, and I believe this MBA program will enhance my leadership quality and the business management. I didn't want to choose my MBA in a regular college because I need something like a practical exposure. That way I opted for Eva Stalin Business School.
Coming to faculties of Eva Stalin Business School, they are so friendly, they are so professional about their works, and they are mentoring us with their experience.
Our faculties here in Eva Stalin Business School are very enthusiastic and very friendly, making this learning environment very supportive.
Coming to class activities, we do debate, case studies, and much more activities in our class, and the way of the teaching is in practical as well as in theoretical only.
During class hours, we regularly participate in group discussion, case studies and skill development activities where we can able to connect it from the subject to the real business scenarios.
The changes after coming to Eva Stalin Business School is I have felt more confidence when I speak with others. So that's make me more changes in my life.
After joining here, I was able to break the fear of speaking and become more extrovert.
In my UG degree, I don't have any opportunity to explore the internship. When I coming to the Eva Stalin Business School, there will be more opportunities like internship and work. So I choose internship in L&T shipbuilding. So it makes sense to join in Eva Stalin Business School.
The various activities have greatly enhanced my skill in teamwork, leadership and more. Here they are providing outbound training, industrial visit and some activities where I can able to connect it with my regular subjects and business management.
So coming to industry visit, Eva Stalin Business School provides a regular industry visit to various companies and industries such as Ashok Leyland, Kalishwaris and so on.
This environment has really pushed me to grow personally and professionally. Thank you.
I prefer you to join Eva Stalin Business School because we have dual specialization and much more activities which is informative and knowledgeable.